How to share files on Google Drive. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is quite simple to share files on Google Drive. To get started with, open any of your preferred browser and go to the drive. In order to do so, you can tap on this square icon and from where you can see drive.google.com. Once you reach to your drive, first and foremost, you can now first of all upload the file that you want to share. In order to do so, right click anywhere on the screen or you can click on the new button and then click on file upload. Once you click on file upload, it will browse on your computer. Choose the file that you want to share, tap on it and then tap on open button. Doing so should upload it on the drive now. Next up, tap on the three dots which is right next to the file that you just uploaded. After that, you can click on the share button. On share button, you have two options. The first one is share, another is copy link. But before copying link, you have to make sure that you manage the access. In order to do so, again tap on the three dots, tap on share and go to the share button. After that, you have to now change the restricted mode into copy link for all. Once you see an event from the link, tap on done and you can copy the link to share the file. Another option could be adding the email of the account that you want to share the file with. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.